This is part 2 of my custom scooter build. So yeah, I'm getting the screw in because it stopped recording on me because I didn't have enough space. So let me just get the screw in and the clamp. And then you want to put your grips on. Oh, make sure the clamp is actually not too tight, otherwise it's not going to be able to spin as good. That's pretty good for me. Take your back wheel. Sorry, my tool just fell. And then put your back wheel on. The tool keeps on falling. And then put your axle in, just like this. Sorry if you guys can't see that well, but Okay, and then let me put the bolt on. Okay, I'm just gonna put it in my Tuck Duck tool. And then put it on. And like again, make sure that I can actually spin pretty well. So yeah, there's my custom scooter. I hope you guys enjoyed. I actually really like this one. Black bars, teal grips, red clamp, teal, or aqua blue, whatever, forks, and a white deck. So yeah.